Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about, are YouTube Shorts worth it? Okay, so YouTube Shorts is a new thing. It's like a short video that plays on the YouTube homepage. So it's more of like a discovery type video. You know, people will be scrolling through their explore page and then these shorts will come up. They're usually short vertical videos. I think they're supposed to be a minute or less, but we're talking about like, are these things worth posting or not? So I uploaded one the other day. If you want to upload one, just include shorts in your title, and we're just going to look at the analytics on this thing. So this should give you a good idea if it's worth it or not to you. For me, definitely not worth it. I got 396 views, which is a little less than normal. The watch time is terrible, and the ad revenue is the worst that I've ever had. 1 cent for 396 views. So normal channels are getting like $1 for every 1,000 views. So this should be like 39 cents if you base it on that, but it got 1 cent. So like, these videos aren't really getting ads. So for me, someone that does like search-based content, definitely not worth it. Huge waste of time. I should just make like a 3 to 5 minute video like I always do. I think shorts would be much better for someone that is already famous, that doesn't rely on YouTube ad revenue or on search, like a Logan Paul or Mr. Beast, or some of these TikTok people that are coming over to YouTube that might have another way to monetize. Like maybe they're already doing a monthly subscription or something like that, and they're getting most of their earnings that way rather than through YouTube ad revenue, because this is just trash. Like, you're not going to make money posting YouTube shorts. Maybe they'll change them in the future, but for right now, I'm not going to be posting any more YouTube shorts. Maybe if you want to do them, start a separate channel for YouTube shorts and try it out that way. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might well.